This small shift, reframing the way that you think about retirement, can actually make a big difference in the way that you plan for your future. A lot of people don't really like the term retirement because it conjures up these thoughts of these old folks' homes or maybe sitting on a wicker rocking chair on your porch as the time just passes you by. And if you're anything like our clients, that's not really the kind of retirement that you're looking for. And actually, a lot of people put off retiring because they have this thought or this question of, what am I going to do all day? And they keep working because they don't know how good life can be after they stop working. So rather than planning for retirement, why not plan for the date of financial independence? Maybe planning for the date where you know you can be financially free, where you can have the option to work or not work, or maybe work part-time. For many of our clients, they put off retiring because they still want to be productive and they want to have purpose in their life, which careers can do that. But once they start thinking about planning for financial independence versus retirement, that gives them a little bit more motivation, a little bit more excitement as they start to plan their future. I was actually just talking with a 51-year-old who's burnt out at one of these big tech companies, and she's got a lot of other interests and passions, and she's aware of them, but she didn't want to retire early, mainly because she didn't want to lose her health insurance. That was the big factor. So after a little bit of planning, she discovered that she can work part-time in an industry that she loved and still have the benefits that she wanted. And she would be avoiding that burnout that can be so harmful to us. Anyways, the main piece of advice is maybe not think about retirement planning, but focus on independence planning instead. And hopefully that might make you a little bit more excited and motivated to create your perfect retirement. And by the way, I recorded a video for you about creating your perfect retirement plan, and that's in the description below if you're interested in that. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video.